Race? Alright. Oh my God. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lives, aka Motor Bro. As you can see, it's busy out here today. We got the racers, we got wheelie homies outside. And yeah, we're about to floss. You already know we got Rip Turtle. Yes sir! Yee! Oh my God, dude! That was crazy! Bro, that was nuts. Hey, dude. Rip Turtle the GOAT. Straight killer, bro. Yo, what the hell, bro? The way he's just hopping on some cockroaches, dog. I ain't gonna lie, them quad riders, they be putting in some work, dude. What? Dude. He just did a Superman on a quad, dude. Chillin'. Yo. Hey, you too smooth. You too smooth on that thing, bro. Bro, look at that all pink bike, dog. You guys see him like checking the air, or is that for the NOS? I don't even know, bro. Yo, these homies ain't playing around, bro. Boy got the stogie in the mouth. Alright, who y'all got? My money's on the pink. Let me know. God damn! That's scary, bro. What's good, bro?
What's up, man?
Yo, that was gnarly.
Yeah, I know.
Fuck.
Where's the
Dang.
dirt tires at?
The what?
The dirt tires.
I got the street ones on today. Bruh. Let's go on the two-stroke.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I know.
That was awesome. Oh boy, got a wheel skill on the two-stroke. Let's go, you got it. Oh. Is that a 250?
125.
Oh, it's 125?
I forgot to turn the gas on.
Ah! He didn't have his gas on. What's good, y'all? How y'all doing? What's wrong with the bike? You got a flat? Or
Brakes didn't work.
whose bike is that?
Ain't got no brakes.
Oh, that's yours?
Got plenty of gas, it ain't got no brakes.
Damn. You got like the bottle to like no, damn. Good luck. Good luck, brother.
They flying through these things.
Bro, isn't it crazy? Woo! Boy, it scared me, dude. Little tune. Hey, let's race. Let's race. Race. All right, go. Right here. You go, you go. Yeah. I didn't want to go full throttle because I seen that turn coming up. So I was like, I'll just let him have it. What happened?
It's like adjusting and stuff.
Ah. Let's go. Good, how are you? On the two-stroke. Let's go. Yeah. How you doing? Hey, when we were racing, I seen that turn. I was like, I don't want to go too crazy, you know?
Yeah, I'm about to race somebody in an hour.
Oh, bet.
Let me pay $500.
500? Dang, let's go. Maury girl. Woo! Killing it on that two-stroke. Ooh! I ain't gonna lie, we're in a different spot than we usually are, and it's a lot like tighter. This road's a lot tighter than what we usually at, so it might get a little sketchy. What? Race? Alright, well, let's go up here. That 450 got the top end.
Yeah, that's fast.
Yeah. Is that thing's fully stock?
Yeah, you got pipes and a cool head, but carburetor stock, cylinder stock, crank stock.
No, yeah. I was surprised I took off on the top end. There it is. You got it. You had to send a little prayer. What the flipper doodle? I did not expect homie to go so crazy. That boy going crazy. Yo. Quads outside. Oh, they're going slow right here, bro. We got a Banshee. We got 2-stroke versus 4-stroke. Let's go. He got that control on lock. Oh my god. Yes sir, let's go. What the hell, bro? Look at everyone just sliding on through. Yes, sir. You already know the boy Sonny coming in on that fresh 2-stroke Banshee. You got that shit, bro.
That moto, bro, man. We outside, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he see how to shift lock, man.
Yeah, you got it. Just when you shift, just hold it up.
I'm just kind of, I don't know.
Little homies coming in on their mini bikes. We racing next or what, bro?
Yeah, me and you.
Let's do it, bro.
No, I don't play with the speed.
Hey, bro, they only top out at like 60, 70.